Hey, what's up guys? Ryan here from American Trucks. Today I'll be reviewing and installing the Barricade soft tri-folding bed cover fitting your 2015 and up
F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Is going to be for the F-150 owner that's looking for an affordable and easy way to protect their bed and keep it free from the elements. This is the perfect addition for those of you who are just looking for a simple way to cover your bed and not really looking for maximum security. Its tri-fold design allows you to flip these last two panels up, providing a good amount of access to your bed, whether you're accessing cargo or hauling larger items. Now this cover is made from a heavy-duty aircraft-grade aluminum frame, which is going to be very rigid and lightweight, and the whole thing is covered in a weather-resistant, textured grain TPO covering, which is going to resist scratching and fading and last you for years to come. Now this bed cover is very easy to install and remove, as it simply uses built-in latches to hook onto your bed rail. Now this cover will not only add a slick look and some styling to your F-150 while discreetly hiding cargo underneath, it may just even improve your gas mileage due to its aerodynamics. Now this comes as a complete kit with everything needed to install and is reasonably priced on the site at just around $550. Now this specific cover that we're installing is for a 6.5 foot bed. However, we do offer that on the site for a 5.5 foot bed. As far as install goes, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches, since you can install a system in under an hour without the use of tools. So with that being said, let's hop into the install. So we're going to begin our installation in the bed of the truck. Now this is a relatively easy install, and you're going to have these buckles back here. Now this whole back section is going to face towards the front of the bed at the rear window. What we're going to do is we're going to lay this down on top of the bed, and then we'll unfold it out. So after we do that, we're going to unclip these buckles and fold it out. So once you have this completely unfolded, what you want to do is make sure that the whole thing is even and centered on the bed. Then we're going to gently fold this back up, making sure not to shift it, so we can get those rear latches installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these latches down, slide them over, and then this is going to hook onto this edge. So we're going to press that up, and then we'll turn this knob until they're tight. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side. We're going to pull that latch down, slide it over, and then we'll tighten up our little wing nut. So once you have those latches tight and locked down, we're going to go ahead and fold this the rest of the way out and get these other latches installed. So one thing to point out is if you have a bed liner or extra thick bed caps, you may need to trim a section out of there so that these latches fully grab onto your bed rails. Ours seem to be just fine, so I'm going to show you how to install these right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this out of its little holder, and then you want to bend this at 90 degrees. This is going to lower this little latch down, so then we can spin it and tighten it up to where we need it. Once we get it close enough, we're going to slide it completely underneath of that and then lock it up into the air. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. Pulling this down, twisting that, turn that 90 degrees. We're going to spin and tighten this up. So that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at AmericanTrucks.com.